Over 400 cases settled every single month, putting money back into the pockets of families who thought they were stuck with a bad car. Here's exactly why they trust us. Over $100 million recovered for Californians with defective vehicles. Over 400 cases settled every single month. Zero cost out of your pocket, ever. The manufacturer has to cover all of our legal fees by law. It's called the Song-Beverly Act. Google section 1794 if you want the receipt.
I bought a brand new Jeep Grand Cherokee. Within 6 months, the check engine light came on, took it in, they said they fixed it. 2 weeks later, same thing. This happened 3 more times. I was so frustrated, I thought I just bought a bad car and had to deal with it. Then I found Law & Lemon. They took over everything. I didn't have to do anything. 8 weeks later, I got a check for $81,000, and I still have the Jeep.
Okay, so I got my Honda CR-V right out of college. It was my first real car, you know? I was so excited. Then like 4 months later, the AC stops working in California in the summer. I took it in, they said they fixed it, and 2 weeks later, it was dead again. This happened like 4 times. I was literally crying at the dealership. I found Law & Lemon on TikTok and thought, what do I have to lose? They called me back, same day. They were super nice, explained everything, and then 10 weeks later, I got a check for $58,000. I was shaking. I still have the car and the AC works now, but honestly, getting that money back was life-changing.
I bought my F-150 brand new because I needed it for work. About 8 months in, the engine started to make this weird noise. Took it to the dealership. The dealer said it was fine. Problem continued to happen. Took it in 3 more times, same thing. I was fed up. My wife saw something about Law & Lemon online, said I should give them a call. Said, hey, I got nothing to lose. Gave them a call, they took a look at everything, said I had a solid case. They took care of all the legwork. 60 days later, I had $72,000. And I got to keep my truck. Still can't believe it was that easy.
5-star reviews, real results, real people who got real money back. If your car keeps breaking down, you could be owed tens of thousands of dollars and still get to keep your car. Give us a call right now or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.